Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. My name is Godswill. Today I'll be walking you through on how you can stake your cake to earn more cake using the Pancakeswap platform. Okay, so here you can see this is the current rate. I'm on CoinGecko. This is the current rate of Pancakeswap, $17.02. So initially, before the crash that happened, before the panic that happened, and people sold off so many of their coin, one pancake swap was at 40, I think about $45 or thereabouts. Okay, but right now you can see a massive opportunity have opened up for those who really understand what the crypto space is all about. So it's right now, as I record this video, is sitting down at $17.02 at the moment. So what I'll be showing you is how you can buy this coin and stake it on the Pancakeswap platform. By so doing, you will be able to earn more cake. So let's say, for instance, you're able to stake about 100 of this cake, and you're getting about 140% APY, that is annual percentage yield. So that means within the space of 1 year, if you are able to get about 100 cake, it's going to give you about 40 something cake thereabout extra. That means your 100 cake would have given birth to 100 for something cake, making a total of about 200 and something cake for you. All right, so I'll just walk you through. Let's switch to Pancakeswap so that you can see how you can lay your hands on this gold mine. Okay, so let me just take you straight to Pancakeswap so you can see this for yourself. Okay, here we are. Here we are on the Trust Wallet. So the application we'll be using is Trust Wallet app. The Trust Wallet app is what we'll be using. So let's go straight ahead. So in this wallet, I have just one cake here. So you can see this. This is just one cake that I have in this wallet. Okay. So here now we'll go to the app. So this is where you click on. This is where you click on. This particular place is where you click on if you want to go to the app. So you just click on this place. Let me do this for you. Oh, sorry. So you click on the app here. So once you click on the app, all you need to do, the next thing you need to do is you look for Pancakeswap. So you can see Pancakeswap here. So you click on Pancakeswap. So you allow it to load. So it's loading. So after it loads, you look at the top left hand corner here. Here, so you look at the top left hand corner, you can see that. So all you need to do is you click on that icon that is there. So it will open up for you. So when it's open up for you, all you need to do, you locate farm. This is farm. You locate pool, which is under farm. Okay, so once you get to pool, you click on pool. So let's allow it to open. Okay, so here is it. So it's going to show you this syrup pool. Okay, so this is where we're going to be doing the staking. This is where we're going to be doing the staking. So this is a fresh wallet. I have not enabled this. I've not enabled this before now. So what we'll do is to enable this. We'll enable this in order to proceed. So here now you can see we have the auto cake. So what this particular one actually means is it will enable you to do a compounding. This one will compound it for you if you stake using this auto cake. But if you don't want to do compounding, you just want to be taking it out as it comes. So you can actually do the manual. But the difference between the manual and the auto cake is the APR, the annual percentage return. So here for the manual cake is 90.11%. That is the annual return which you're gonna get, annual percentage return which you're gonna get on this. Why for the auto, the yield will be 141.83%. That's what you get. So if I were to be you, I think I will go to the auto, which will give me the compounding effects. All right. So I'm doing the auto. Let me click on enable. Okay, this is enabling. So now you need to note while you're trying to enable, you're going to pay a fee. So here I'm paying about 13 cents. I'm paying about 13 cents fee. You can see here. So I'm paying about 13 cent fee from what you can see. So all I need to do is just click on approve. You can see my approve here. So all I need to do, click on approve. So let's approve that transaction. Okay, still enabling. All right. So after it enables, the next option will come up, then we'll follow the next instruction. Okay, still trying to enable. Let's wait a bit. Okay, so contract enabled, you can now stake in the cake vaults. Okay, now it's been enabled for us. So all we need to do next is to click on stake. So let's click on stake. So once you come to stake, all you need to do is click on the percentage you want to use. If it's 100% you want to use, you click on 100%, that is click on mass. But if you're using just a portion of your cake, you click on a portion of your cake. So for me, I'm doing max of what I have in this place. So I'm gonna click on max. So once I click on max, it's showing that I have that my one cake point 08 that I have will be displayed here for me. So all I need to do is just to confirm everything. Click on confirm. Okay. So once it shows up for me here, all I need to do is just to approve. So at this point, I'm going to pay another fee of 90 cents to approve. So all I need to do is just to click on approve. Okay, it's trying to confirm. So after this, and that will be it. Okay, it's trying to confirm. So let's be patient. Let's wait for it to confirm. Okay, so here now we can see your fund have been staked in the pool. So our fund have been staked in the pool. So at this point, I will just say congratulations to you and to whoever that have taken action here. Now, one thing I want you to note is at this point, you can decide to unstake. So you just have to note this. So within the first 3 days of staking, if you decide to unstake, you will be charged 0.1% on staking fee within these first 3 days. Okay, so if you decide to say, okay, I'm not doing again, I want to get my cake out, so you'll be charged 0.1 on staking fee on this. So after this, let's say maybe at the end of the period of time this you decided to stay in this program and you want to cash out, you want to like get your cake out, you can actually do that. All you need to do is to click here. All you need to do is to click here, this minus, you just click on it. You click on it. So once you click on it, it opens up. So here at this point, you can say, okay, I'm taking everything. You can do max, just the way you did mass when you were entering. You did mass and click on confirm. But I'm not exiting because I just take now. I'm not unstaking my cake. So you just click on mass. Once you click on mass, you click on confirm and the thing will automatically get you out. But you also bear in mind that if you're leaving within the first 3 days, you'll be charged 0.1% on staking fee. And after that, if you are leaving, let's say after let's say 1 month or 2 months, you'll be charged 0. I think about 2% fee, 2% fee for from whatever you have earned on this platform. Okay, so at this point, you can actually add more if you want to add. So all you need to do for you to add, you can see the plus. You can see the plus. So all you need to do is click on it. Click on it. So we want to add. So we want to click on. Now I don't have cake, any more cake. That's why it's showing me sufficient cake balance. So had it been I had cake, it would have just shown me, okay, this is what I have. Then all I need to do is proceed. But if you don't have it, can actually give you the option of buying more. But if you don't want to buy more, you can actually go to Binance. If buy there, then you move it back to your Trust Wallet and you proceed with this with more staking of your cake. So that will be it for now. So at the end of the period, you would have been able to make some good profits from this. Also, mind you that the price of cake at this moment is still very, very cheap. So cake can get to $100, it can get to $200, depending on how long you decide to hold as an individual. So just imagine you're staking about 100 cake, for instance, and you're getting them for $17 right now, and it shoots up to $100. So just do the max, you find out that you would have made so much money from these projects. All right. So good luck to us. I want to use this medium to say a very big thank you to you for sticking around, for staying to the very end of this video. Please give me a like, give me a thumbs up. Also do subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell so that whenever I release video, you will be among the first people or the first person to get it. Also feel free to share with your friends. I will really appreciate that. Thank you so much and God bless you.